What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. In this video, I am going to expose exactly how I make my money from meme coins every single month without ever touching a single chart. The way I do it is really simple. I create the coins instead of buying them. A bunch of traders every single day are losing a bunch of money because they keep getting dumped on, and that's exactly why I became a dev. I am the one launching these viral coins and getting a bunch of buyers, and then I just cash out and I make thousands of dollars. Today I am showing you the full process live on camera for free with a real coin launch in the second half of the video so that you can see the actual numbers yourself. Let's get straight into it. Guys, look at my Phantom wallet. All this crypto came from launching meme coins, and this is exactly how I got profitable. I will be showing you my strategy all live in this video. I do not sell anything, not even an affiliate link, nothing at all, okay? I am not here to waste your time. Now here's why deving meme coins is a winning game and trading is a losing game long term. You guys need to realize that most meme coins are going to end up going to zero no matter what. Even if the narrative is good, bro, it's going to dry out and it's going to go to zero, bro. That's exactly how meme coins are moving nowadays, and there's nothing that you can do. It's simply how meme coins are, okay? The attention will eventually fade away, and that leads to the coin dumping. And that's why I highly recommend to stay away from trading. Because eventually, bro, you are going to buy coins over and over again, and you will possibly lose money because the coin got dumped on. So that's exactly why you need to do the complete opposite, and that is creating the coins. Me personally, bro, I switched to deving, and now I'm making thousands of dollars on each launch just by creating the coins, waiting for buyers, and then selling my supply into all the buying pressure. I make money from the supply and from the creator fees from every single transaction in my meme coins, okay? It's a repeatable process. I will show you every single step. I will do a live launch. Everything will be done. Let's go, keep watching. And by the way, y'all, everything is for educational purposes only. Yes, I do make money from creating meme coins, but I am not a financial advisor at all. I do not claim any financial advice given in this video. I do not condone anything, so just keep that in mind. Now, the majority of people on chain that are devs are making their coins on Pump.Fun, bro. Like, everyone makes their coins here, but that is the #1 mistake that most people are making. Launching coins on Pump.Fun will get you nowhere. Most meme coins get no buyers, no one sees them. You are just wasting your time. Maybe if you launch like 100 coins, right, one might get a couple buyers, but the truth is that most of them are straight dead. So instead, bro, I have a different approach. I launch my coins on Raydium, bro, using launchmemes.io. This launchpad is the best for Raydium. Every single coin, bro, usually gets a couple buyers or it could explode like this, and that's exactly why I love deving coins on Raydium. I've personally made a bunch of money, bro, from launching on Raydium, and I've seen way more results than Pump.Fun. That's exactly why I love this launchpad. Now, making a meme coin is extremely simple, okay? You can create coins from scratch. So just like Pump.Fun, bro, like any other launchpad, you can create a new coin right here. Just put a name, symbol, image, and it will be launched to Raydium as well. That's the whole point, right? Just follow these steps. Or for example, you can copy coins. Now here is my bread and butter. I've made all my money here. Every single coin on this list is basically a proof of concept. They've all went viral on Pump.Fun, which means they all have good narratives. And all what we are going to be doing is copying one of these coins, but launching that coin on Raydium instead to get a bunch of buyers. And that's exactly how we make money from copying coins, just like vamping. Let me show you how right now. But anyways, guys, let's copy a coin and let's see if we can make some money. I'ma just stop yapping and let's dev a coin. So first of all, connect your Phantom wallet like that. You can cash out at the end, right? That is the whole point. And now let's copy a coin. Now go for anything. They're all good. They're on this list. Just make sure that you are not copying the same coin twice or 3 times in a row. That is really dumb. So I'm gonna go for like this one, for example. Click on copy the Raydium, ignore the block. This block is normal for our Raydium launchpads. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be copied shortly. Just wait, give it a couple seconds. And boom, now let's obviously create the liquidity pool. But first of all, let me just show you, it is on chain, it is actually legit, as you guys can see, so it's a real coin. Let's create the liquidity pool. Here is where we create a supply. Like that, our coin can go to Raydium. Now click on 90% right here for the supply. Do that for every single launch, trust me, it's good. For the soul to pair, this is the dev buy for yourself. Like that, you can have supply. Okay, it's as simple as that. Put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 soul. You are not going to lose anything. At the end, when to cash out, it will come back, bro. Just chill out, okay? Click on create pool. Once again, boom, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be actually live. Just wait for the pop-up, and boom, now click on refresh, and as you guys can see, your coin is right here, it's live. You have your PNL, you have everything here. Let's go see the chart. You can use any trading platform that you want, not just these ones. Just go find your coin. Okay, and the chart should load because it's a new coin. Let me just refresh real quick the website, and boom, it's live. As you guys can see, go on the 1 second chart, I would highly recommend, and it's already pumping. Okay, a bunch of people are buying in. Let me go see how much we're up already. Click on refresh. We're up 200 bucks. That's not bad within seconds. That is actually not bad. Okay, we're up 250 bucks maybe within like less than a minute. And yeah guys, it's as simple as that. Obviously you do have to be consistent, bro, because sometimes you might make more or less, but yeah, just let your coin pump. Okay, and yeah bro, I'm gonna be back. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and we are, as you guys can see, at the 68k market cap. Let's cash out. Okay, it's been like 10 minutes. Okay, it's up to you when you want to cash out, bro, but yeah, come back to launchmemes.io, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, here is our official profits. We're up 2.6k on this meme coin within minutes. Let's cash this out, because this is not in our phantom wallet yet. Click on the minus button. Here you can choose how much you want to clip. I'm gonna just do the full amount, 100%. Remove liquidity right here. Then, wait a sec. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then as you guys can see, it should be done. It should be in our phantom wallet. Boom, we just cash out, and look, 3, 2, 1. Boom, 2.6k is in our phantom wallet, bro. That is 35.82 soul in our phantom wallet. You guys just have to be consistent, never give up. Launchmemes.io will be linked down below, bro. Stay consistent, launch, and good luck, bro. Let's go.